In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in Google Sheets. Managing your data efficiently is crucial, particularly if you're dealing with extensive datasets. Locating duplicates can help to maintain data accuracy, and today we'll walk through a straightforward method to do just that. Let's start off by opening up your Google Sheets document. If you don't already have a sheet ready, you can create a new one by going to your Google Drive and selecting New, followed by Google Sheets. The next thing we need to do is select the range of cells where you suspect there might be duplicates. In this example, we'll be working with the range from cell B2 to B28. To do this, simply place your cursor on cell B2, click and drag down to cell B28. Now that your range is selected, we'll move on to formatting to help us visually identify those duplicates. Navigate to the top of your Google Sheets interface and click on the Format menu. This is where all your formatting options reside. From the drop-down, select Conditional Formatting. This feature is tremendously helpful as it lets you format cells based on certain criteria, enabling us to highlight duplicates seamlessly. In the Conditional Format Rules panel that appears on the right, you'll see an area labeled Format Rules. Click on the drop-down under Format Cells If to reveal your options. From this list, select Custom Formula Is. This option provides the flexibility to use specific formulas to determine formatting, which is exactly what we need. In the formula input field, you'll type the following formula. X county if S, $B2, B, B2. Ones. What this formula does is count the instances of each value in the selected range and highlights those that occur more than once. Double-check to make sure the formula is entered correctly because any mistakes here might lead to errors in identifying duplicates. Once your formula is in place, let's choose a fill color for highlighting the duplicates. Click on Formatting Style, then on Fill Color. A palette will appear, and from this, you can select Yellow. This color will fill the cells that are found to be duplicates, making them easy to spot. After you've selected your fill color, don't forget to click Done to apply the changes. Now, if there are any duplicate entries within the specified range, they should be automatically highlighted in yellow, enabling you to effortlessly scan through your data and identify any repetitions. That's it. You've successfully used conditional formatting in Google Sheets to find and highlight duplicate values. This method can be a huge time saver and ensure that your data is always accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips on using Google Sheets effectively.